Detail world, what it do, what it do, what it do. Happy holidays, man. It's back out here. Christmas done passed on, so I hope you had a great Christmas. If you didn't get what you want, man, make sure next year you get what you want and don't wait on nobody else to get it. But we out here at the first appointment right now doing a new customer car. We're doing a Ford F-150. If you can see it, it got a lot of salt debris because it did snow down here from that blizzard, that blizzard that they said is a once in a lifetime blizzard that hit. Yeah, so you know I'm in Tennessee, we got the tail end of it. But right now I'm about to go ahead and get in this interior. Y'all already see it, man. Your typical debris, your sticks, your twigs. Don't got a little bit of money. You see 50 cents. That's so quality. But anyway, we make sure I got all my stuff. We're gonna make sure we get between these seats, get in there real good, get under here, move all that stuff. Make sure you pull down the seats. Hit the seats, you see how you got debris all in the back. Make sure you always pull down these seats like I tell you to make sure you get the debris that's hiding. You see it? Is it where you see it? Do you see it? Peekaboo. But anyway, we're gonna go ahead and get it cracking, man. Wipe down the seats, make sure we get everything, get these doors completely clean. You see it got dirt all in these cracks and crevices. So that's the thing about detailing the car. You gotta make sure that you get the car done and do it efficiently. But you know what I said. We're gonna go ahead and get it cracking. I hope you're doing what you're doing. I hope you had a wonderful day. Continue to stay blessed. Be grateful for what you have. Don't worry about what you don't have. Focus on what you do have and how to make that better. But on that note, man, I'm gonna go ahead and get it cracking, man. Start on this car because I got a late start today. It's about 11 o'clock. I was supposed to be about 9:30, but it was so cold and I had a low tire, so I had to make sure I put some tire, and my battery's dead because it's been extremely cold and I have not been driving the vehicle. But on that note, do what you got to do, and I'm gonna do what I got to do. Hit that subscribe button today, man. Leave a comment. I'm hoping everybody just leave a comment. If y'all hear me saying leave a comment, just put leave a comment, and I'll make sure I reply back with LOL or something else. But on that note, man, I gave y'all a quick glimpse of the back. I'm gonna just show you what the interior, the front look like. Like I say, typical debris, you know, sticks, twigs, coins, stuff like that. We're gonna make sure we clean out the cup holders, get everything clean. You see how I look in there. Wipe down these dashboards. Got a lot of dirt everywhere, man. But on that note, like I said, we're gonna go ahead and get it cracking, man. So do what you gotta do, and I'm gonna catch y'all in a minute. Hey. Detail world, what it do, man. We didn't finally finish this Ford F-150, man. It took us about 2.5 hours to, like I said, to detail it, make sure I get the car looking great. The car was dirty, you know what I mean, and it was my first time ever doing that car. But I also noticed the car, I don't know what's all on these windows, look like some sap, something like that. But we got the car completely done. Y'all remember what it looked like? It was completely dirty in here, seats, doors, things like that. But we got the car the car came out well, you know what I mean? Everything shampooed, seats thoroughly clean, cup holders, monitors, things like that. So we about to go ahead and head to the next stop. You know what I mean? I got 2 cars to do there. So it's gonna probably take me about 15 minutes to get there from where I'm at. But like always, man, we dedicated to the process over here, man. So I hope you're dedicated to something in life. Going into 2023, man, we're finna make everything change, make everything pop. So find your ambition, find your determination, and let's roll. And I'll catch y'all in a minute. Peace. Detail world, what it do? Yes, what it do? I'm at the next stop, man. We doing this Nissan Pathfinder. We gonna work on the interior of the car first. You know what I mean? Because it's gonna take me a little bit of time. Then we're gonna worry about the exterior. But if you look, still got a little bit of sunlight.
It will turn into sunshine.
Beautiful day. Yes, it is. It feels amazing out here, especially after the last few days. The weather being in the teens and single digits and stuff. But you see it, man. Your typical debris under the seat, things like this. But we gonna go ahead and get it cracking, man. We're gonna do what we do best, man. I'm gonna show y'all how efficient we do our jobs, man. We are professionals over here in Your Way Mobile Car Care Service, man. And on that note, I hope y'all take pride in whatever y'all do. I know y'all hear me say that all the time, but I hope you really do, man, because a lot of people really don't like what they do in life, man. It's kind of hard to really find your passion, or even find something that you just like to do. A lot of people just go with the hamster wheel, you know, hop in and just run it and hoping that within the hamster wheel, you got enough momentum when you're coming out of it, you can just keep going. But sometimes you run it so fast, when you try to get out, your feet move too fast, you fall. So don't get stuck in that hamster wheel, man. Find your dream, find your passion. Do what make you feel best. Don't chase the money, because the money gonna come regardless, man. Everybody get money, man. The couch get money, the ground get money. everybody get money. It's just what you do with the money. But on that note, I'm gonna go ahead and finish this car start on this interior, and I'm gonna catch you in a minute. Hey. Detail world, what it do, man. We done finished this Nissan Pathfinder, man. We finally got the car done. Had to do this car, but I won't be able to do it because you already see the sun. It's already going over the mountains, and it's gonna be getting dark real soon. So I'll be here tomorrow to knock this car out and knock this car out. And her husband, he supposed to get his car done. But you see it, the car is clean. It was completely dirty, covered in snow, things like that. And you look at the interior, remember how dirty the seats was and things like that. Remember how the carpet looked, all these cracks and crevices. But we got the car looking well. Car came out fine. You know, like I said, we stay motivated, stay dedicated in the process.
5 minutes later.
So like I said, we about finished here. We don't have any more appointments for the day. So we're about to head home, feed these kids as usual. You know how the routine go. Stick to the script. And like always, man, I always show a little love, because we all need a little love out here. And like also, man, love thyself. You know, look in the mirror, say I love you, wink at yourself, blow yourself a kiss, anything of that nature. And like always, man, always, peace.